The Buick is no more. It's been a feature on this channel from the very start. When we started it, you might see some 3800 videos on it. Then we got it up on the LS swap rollback, and it's not fixable. It's basically a parts car now. Good transmission, good motor, and a lot of good parts. But check it out. So what happened to it was the whole control arm inner structure here just rusted away. This car wasn't sprayed out or took very good care of when we first got it, and just the salt and stuff, it just got up in these joints, and you can see it's just not worth fixing. In order to repair this, we would need another car section. We would have to cut it out, and for a Buick it just ain't worth it. It actually came through the back seat. So I'm going to unload it today, and we're going to go over, see what kind of parts we got, and get a game plan. I also picked up a G6. I'm going to show you that car. I probably ain't going to do nothing with it, so that's parted out. Might fix it and maybe have it something to trade around on. We also got the Cherokee back here. You remember that one in later videos when we first started the channel. We brought it back up here. Gonna do something with it too, because I ain't got time to fix them all, and yeah, I got too many vehicles. Just get this pulled up enough. That still runs and drives, so I'm just going to drop it off and drive it to the other spot we got way over yonder. Out of the way till we figure out when I'm going to start on it. Because we still got the charger, and we got a lot. Full playlist on this truck, by the way, if you ain't seen it and you're new to the channel. Finished the gauges. We've been updating them to this style. I ain't did it in a while. Let's activate the PTO. There we go. Could have did this with it up a little, probably made it easier on me. Oh, let's see, did it loosen up? It is not. I do like running these binders here just for added safety, so you don't depend on just the main winch. Now we should be able to ease off this, put it in neutral, and just ease it down. This car has been set in a long time, so let's go ahead. Still starts right up, doesn't need a good cleaning. Let's go ahead and put neutral. Ease off now. Ease off, ease off. Roll the window down. Away we go. I'm hit my bed up a little bit more. Should be fine. I could just drove it off, but it worked. Yeah, exhaust leak. That back manifold gasket. Hold the brake if you don't care. Hold the brake, and I'm going to unhook it, then you can back it off. Yeah, you can put it in reverse. Just it's unhooked, you can pull it on off if you want to. Just keep your wheels straight, you'll be fine. dragging the little thing. That's good. Let's put this back. So it died out.
Yeah,
He ain't been running so long. The computer's probably still figuring itself out. Hell, it could be our gas. Is it? Gas hand did work on it. It's our gas. Huh. Well, that's bad. That bad gas is something that's broke down. Oh. Could. Could be EGR sticking too. Yeah, it's out of gas. It's dead empty. No! It's out of gas. It's popping. It's popping. It's out of gas. Everything we got is out of gas. That's out of gas. But how long has it been since you've seen the Jeep? It's been sitting for quite a while. It's a 99 Jeep Grand Cherokee. Got the 4.7 V8. Don't know if it's going to be a good wintertime vehicle. You know, it's a beater with a heater. Or if it's a parts vehicle. Not made up my mind yet. We'll see very soon. If so, I got an eBay store. That's where you can find parts. If I part this out, they will be parts on there. The Buick definitely will be parted out. I ain't fixing that, and I ain't gonna sell it or trade it. That's dangerous. So we got 3 good tires. This tire might come back. I doubt it. I think it's been scooted enough. It was brand new. So 3 new tires, 4 rims would work on something. We got interior parts. You can see. Good seats. Got a 3800 with a good transmission. Engine runs good. It's just out of gas now. Good headlights. Good front bumper. Got a few little crack in there. Got some tires. Well, the hand is new as I thought they was. Good mirrors. Those sell. They got heated mirrors on this car, I think. New brake calipers and stuff. Tires. Still got good tread on them. Like I said, good seats, good parts. And let me tell you, hauling 3 cars in one day, non-stop, was a pain. We got the El Caminos out here. That one El Camino is being parted out. Parts is on the eBay store in the description below. But the G6, that's where we're going now. Out back to see the G6. Maybe it's a parts car. I don't know. So this is the G6. It's got brand new tires on it. Actually got some pretty nice rims. If I don't know better, but I think these G6 rims will fit the Firebird. But those is pretty rims. Seems like 17s. I do believe. Yep. You can see all matching tires and rims. It does got some front end damage. I think a bumper would be all a man would need. This hood here could be straightened. I mean, for a driver. Oh yeah, what kind of engine this got in it? I think he came with 3 engines. 3.5 liter V6. So that's the engine. Not sure on the stuff, you know. Inside, it is a little moldy. Would need detailed. Needs cleaned up. And side parts look good by the dash. Door handles broke. It smells just. It smells just as bad as it looks. Check it out. This is blackberries right here, and blackberry bushes. This whole hillside right here, the reason it don't get cut because this is nothing but a blackberry patch right here. I got raspberries on the upper end over there. I had some apple trees that got cut. They come down through here and they was clearing right away for power lines and stuff, and they took my apple tree and just yamp. I did let them trim my mulberry tree here. You can see the limbs right here, they pruned it back because it was getting towards the triple phase. It's a very old tree. I mean, here, it was a big tree even when I was a kid. And I did have 3 more over this way, and they trimmed that. All this undergrowth, this hedge right here, these spread like wildfire, by the way. I'm gonna have to cut all this back. I actually got some more fruit trees. I want to fill this hillside up and keep it cut. Again, my other mulberry, it's a couple years old now. Right here, I didn't prune him like I should have. And this one is my other mulberry, and he's been pruned a little. You can see. Growing extremely good. You even can see, if you zoom in, you can see the mulberries on him. I don't know. I like trees and fruit trees. I always have. The pawpaws I have, they ain't doing too good. You don't know what pawpaw is, you need to check it out. Had them for years, but they ain't been making pawpaws, and they should be about time. They should be making pawpaws. I think I'm going to have to add another tree to fertilize them. I know some people said they self-fertilize, and then some people say they ain't. And then I know that if you got the same DNA tree, it can't fertilize itself or something like that. So those all might be one pawpaw tree thing. So I'm going to do something with the pawpaws. Looked in, you can cut around the pawpaw saplings that come up and make them individual trees. I don't know if that was self-pollinate. If so, I got plenty of pawpaw trees. I tell you, setting gets these cars. That's the worst thing you can do for a car, just let it set. Especially these newer models, they just don't hold up like the old ones. Lost the nest, been a decade. You can see inside, nice leather seats, got the pretty gauges. Now, I potted one of these Jeeps out not too long ago. It potted out good. Are they people still driving these, or have they just moved on to bigger and better things? How has the 4-point Jeep 4.7 Grand Cherokee held up? I don't know. I don't see too many on the highway anymore in my area. Same with Grand Dams, G6s, Cavaliers, and the Buicks. El Camino project and the Chevelle. Ain't been up to the Chevelle. The El Camino has made progress. New alternator, distributor. We had to take the old distributor out, put a new one in. It's actually got a column shift now. My buddy Josh at Outlaw Upholstery is redoing the bench seat from this one, because this one had buckets. He's redoing the buckets too. We might use them in the Chevelle. But what's that distributor? This distributor came out of that El Camino, and it just quit firing. I made a video of me trying to start it. Install the fuel pump. That's the old fuel pump off of it. The cap actually looks pretty good. I ain't worried about it. Cap's cheap enough. It's got a good one, a known good one on it now. It starts right up. Starter bolt is broke, so the starter is giving issues. It does sound funny. Sometimes don't even hit the flywheel. Need to add tires up in the white Ford. I'm sure you spotted that out. Ball joint's ready to fall out of it, so do a video on that. What I'm going to do is put a 351 Cleveland in the Maverick. And these fire butts. I need to clean up around here. I said I ain't had time to do anything, and that's how come the yard looks like it does. Not because of the old cars. I mean, like, that power stuff though, and that power stuff though needs cleaned up. Like, it needs, I need to maintain it a little better. It's a little too hot to do it during the day. In the evenings I stay so busy, and the nights. But I'm gonna have to make time for that, because you gotta take care of your home. And just having parts laying around makes it look, I ain't gonna say trashy, you know, some it might. But I like having it a little bit more presentable. I gotta pressure wash the bricks too. And I like building a new pump building. But I keep y'all updated as always. You know, I make videos. That's what this channel is about. I started this channel as making videos, and I do a lot of car videos and some gaming and cooking videos, but I made it mostly to just make videos. Hopefully you enjoy watching. If you do, hit that subscribe button, and let me know in the comment section what you gonna enjoy seeing here soon, and what we should do with some of these projects. Now, this ain't all the projects, just so you know. But that being said, thanks for watching. Check the eBay store out in the description below, and thanks for the support.